Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. My name is Alan Goff. Thanks for attending this webinar. The reason for putting on this webinar is the fact that I've been very inspired by some new wellness technology that I was introduced to by Kevin Chabot. Kevin, I really have to thank you. This is game changer technology. The technology that I'm referring to is a product called Healy. Healy is a wearable wellness device which uses voltage and frequency to make a difference in the body's cellular health. Many chronic and acute diseases can develop when the cell membrane voltage drops. So what this technology is doing is actually increasing the voltage to the cells. So it's not a band-aid approach, much like allopathic medicine is, in that allopathic medicine just treats the issues with chemicals. What Healy does, it treats the cells directly so that we're not dealing with a band-aid here. We're dealing with the root cause problem, which is low voltage in the cells. I've been using other technologies in the past, something called TENS, which is a product which uses voltage-based technology only to help remove pain from the body. It's supposed to get rid of the pain, but because it's just using voltage only, it doesn't do anywhere near as an effective job as the Healy product. Healy is different in the sense that it uses voltage and frequency. It's called frequency microcurrent. The difference with this is the fact that the Healy device actually senses your body's frequencies that it requires to bring it back to a state of homeostasis or wellness. I was inspired to find out more about Healy and their parent company called TimeWaver. TimeWaver is a company out of Germany who has been producing similar technology for over 14 years now. The big difference is their products are more office-based and much more expensive. This is my personal journey that I'm sharing with you in the hope that you'll do more research on frequency-based medicine and try out this new technology for yourself. What has truly impressed me about Healy is the fact that it actually senses the information field, also known as your aura. Inside this device are actually two small quantum physics-based Koryosov mirrors designed by a Russian. Because the Healy reads the information field of your body, it can send customized frequencies that it senses. There's no other technology out there like that, folks. There's Beamer mats, which sell for around $5,000. They're using pulsed electromagnetic frequencies, PEMF. PEMF is good. I've used the mats themselves. They don't sense what the body needs. They just send out preset frequencies. What I'm really impressed with Healy is the fact that you've got over 120 different apps to choose from in order to bring the body back into homeostasis or alignment. In the process of removing the foot pain that I've had from my neuropathy, I've also noticed over the last 35 days, my energetic levels have increased dramatically. I guess that's the fact that the cells are becoming more lively, I guess would be the word. TimeWaver, they have treated well over 500,000 people and have over 2,000 therapists available to treat people and their issues. I've met some nice people over there, and one lady in particular named Brid over in London uses the TimeWaver technology, and they can even design custom programs to treat many different aspects of wellness that we need to have done in our lives. Healy uses your app on smartphone and connected via Bluetooth so that the system is wireless and you can wear it around wherever you're going. Kind of different than the old days when you were stuck sitting in a chair connected with electrical cables. Healy has over 120 different applications, whether it be for skin, depression, anxiety, pain, scarring, etc. Healy has products called Resonance and Analysis, which actually read the information field, which is also known as your chakras. This technology is kind of like a homeopathic doctor in your pocket, as I like to say. Why that is because the Healy will read the vibration of your body, send up the information it has analyzed via artificial intelligence to the internet on a secure cloud, and then send back information stating what it is in your body that needs to be aligned frequency-wise. The Healy then goes about sending the frequencies to your body based upon what the Healy Analyze app has to say. Now that's cool technology. The Healy Gold Cycle app is based on 3 programs: Balance, Being, and Pure. Balance energetically balances the physical being and its emotional functions, while Pure stimulates the organs to support recovery from environmental causes of energetic imbalance. These 3 programs can be used alternately every day to strengthen your bioenergetic field. The Care program can be used when you feel your system is particularly challenged. Healy uses 144,000 gold frequencies, which each have a specific effect on its own. The gold frequencies were developed together with the Portuguese clinic director and researcher Nuno Nina. Nuno has successfully treated thousands of patients in his clinics with his proven therapy protocols over the past 15 years, all based on the gold frequencies. A healthy body, mind, and spirit are probably the most important ingredients for happiness and quality of life. I've been involved with vibroacoustic technology, using this type of technology to make chairs and massage tables vibrate. I learned years ago that vibration helps to improve the cellular nature of the body, albeit nowhere near as effectively as Healy. For decades now, I've been following all kinds of technology like the Biomedici, which is a wearable device, pulsed electromagnetic frequency, but it doesn't have anywhere near the strength of the Healy, nor does it have the ability to sense the frequencies to go into your body like the Healy does. I've been following the fact that different stones have different frequencies to them themselves, and depending upon the frequencies, they can help your body out. This is not rocket science, as it's discussed in Stones of the New Consciousness, amongst many other books that are out there. There's all kinds of technologies out there that can be used to add harmony to your environment, much like the Healy. This is a neutralization ring, which you can use to sweeten the quality of your food. I also use it underneath my pillow to sleep at night. The Healy Gold application is the application that comes with the Healy when you purchase it at the introductory level of $500. I can show you, by the way, how to get a Healy for free. Simply email me at the link below, and I'll be happy to send you information on how you too can get your Healy with the Gold app absolutely free. So now that you know a little bit more about this amazing new technology, I'd like you to check out a couple of videos that I've posted here.
In conventional biology, when I was teaching medical school, we only talked about information in the form of chemistry, hormones, drugs, pharmaceutical agents of some kind, as that's what provides information to the system. So if the system's not working right, you take a drug, and the drug carries signal and information and then changes the operation of the body. So we're very locked into a mechanical, physical biology, and that's conventional allopathic medicine. In recent years, there's the rise of a new kind of medicine. It's called energy medicine. And the significance is that we find now that there's a very sound physical and biological understanding of the role of energy and vibration in medicine.
There's a guy named Royal Rife who lived most of his life working on just figuring out what frequencies affect the body in different ways. Russia, very, very knowledgeable on the effects of frequency. Germany to a certain, so it's not talked about.
Right.
And I'm going to go a little conspiracy on to tell you, the reason why it's not talked about is because Big Pharma does not want us going in any other direction other than pharmaceutical prescriptions.
We live in extraordinary times. Breakthroughs in science, medicine, and consciousness are happening at an accelerating rate. And in the field of healthcare, the old model relying on surgery and prescription drugs is being challenged by a wave of exciting, non-invasive mind, body, and energy-based techniques. And they are generating studies with remarkable results. We'll explore how this fascinating field affects our health, our society, and our future.
Probably since Newton and Descartes, magic and mysticism has been ripped out of our lives, and there's been an enormous separation between science and religion. However, with the discoveries made since Einstein and the advent of quantum physics, we've understood that the world is very different from what we've been told, and that it is much closer to what the ancients described. There is magic, there is connection between all things.
Because of these discoveries, some experts are calling for a revolutionary new field-based view of medicine and the human body.
Significance in healing is that in quantum physics, the energy can be adjusted by other energy rather than through chemistry as a much more effective and efficient way of introducing health into our body.
With energy medicine, we're really touching the closest thing to the soul, the spirit of humanity.
The reason single-channel microcurrent devices like Healy and the frequency-specific microcurrent device called the Healy, coming out in October of this year, are much more effective than allopathic medicine, also known as big pharma pill chemistry, is due to the fact that frequency-based delivery of medicine is over 90% more effective at transmission of wellness information when compared to big pharma allopathic medicine.
I could signal you with a chemical, or I could signal you with vibration. And the answer is the biological system would by far have a preference for the vibrational energy because it's so profoundly fast and so significantly efficient that if your life depends on getting a signal, and the cell's life does, then there's no comparison between the two. Chemicals work, but not anywhere as effectively or as efficiently as energy healing. And this is why we're moving from an allopathic chemical drug-related medicine into energy medicine, because it's now been recognized that energy, which includes thought as well, is profoundly more effective in healing than our chemicals.
Healy is the brainchild of a physicist by the name of Markus Schneek. He's the president and owner of Time Waver in Germany. If you live in Canada, the United States, or Mexico, you'll be pleased to hear that the Healy technology is being introduced to us here this April 2020. Be one of the first to incorporate this technology for your own health and well-being. And if you're really stoked like me, tell your friends about it. It will make a huge difference in their lives. In addition to being beneficial for health and well-being, there's numerous opportunities for wealth as well. I'm making this webinar with a twofold intention. One, to introduce you to the Healy technology and what frequency microcurrent can do for you, but also what the wealth aspects of distributing Healy can mean for you as well. We're kind of heading into some tough times, folks, and I don't know about jobs. I certainly like the idea of being self-employed, and gosh darn it, Healy is certainly a way to build your own business as well as your health at the same time. Healy is in over 40 different countries already in Europe, China, and elsewhere. The Healy hardware is available in 4 different packages: Healy Gold, Healy Holistic, Healy Holistic Health Plus, as well as Healy Resonance. Regardless of the different packages, the Healy is the same in every one. It's just that the apps are different. I'd invite you to check out the healygold.net website, as well as our Healy partner page, to find out more details. Healy has some great product launch promotions coming up this April. For a limited time, when you buy your Healy with the Gold app, they'll upgrade you to the Healy Holistic at no charge. Or if you get the Healy Holistic, they'll upgrade you to the Healy Holistic Health Plus at no charge. Order the Healy Holistic Health Plus, you're going to get the Resonance program and apps at no additional charge. That's $1,000 value savings right there. Hey, the nice thing about Healy is you don't have to spend a lot more money on allopathic medicine any longer. And you know, frequency medicine doesn't have the side effects of pill-based technology either. Healy has a 30-day no-risk guarantee. I encourage you to try it. If it doesn't work for you, just send it back. We'll be happy to give you a refund. Email me or check out our website links for becoming a Healy membership partner, or another link here to acquire Healy for yourself. Healy is a lifestyle product which will change the world. Create your own health, and if you choose, optionally build your own business together with us for a better life for all people and a better life for yourself. Yes, we have to do the disclaimer stuff, folks. So here is the disclaimer. Healy is a medical device for the treatment of chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, and migraine, as well as for the adjunct therapy of mental illness, such as depression, anxiety, and associated sleep disorders. All other applications of Healy are not recognized by conventional medicine due to lack of evidence in the sense of conventional medicine. No medical advice is being offered on this webinar, our website, or videos. For any medical-related issues of yours or others, always seek the advice of your doctor or other certified wellness professionals. The content displayed by the Healy Advisor app does not constitute medical diagnosis and is meant as recommendations only. The medical diagnosis and treatment is the sole responsibility of medical professionals. The displayed Healy programs, substances, and foods are only recommendations that depend on the user input. In the case of food intolerances, allergies, incompatibilities, or diseases, the recommendations of the Healy Advisor app must always be evaluated by a physician.